Makcik-makcik, nenek-nenek, even your jiran have their own opinions on everything. Swaddle. Why we need to swaddle baby? So it reflects the uterus position. Inside the mommy's tummy, the baby will feel wrapped. It's like a hug, mom's hug. And also the other reason is to prevent the startle reflex again. You know, Malaysia ni ramai experts. Makcik-makcik, nenek-nenek, even your jiran have their own opinions on everything. So they will tell you to do. Oh, swaddle tu kena kaki kena lurus tight sebab nanti cantik. No, actually it's wrong because the baby hip needs to move. So there's a lot of styles. Hands to heart. Some baby needs to soothe by placing their thumb or hand nearby to the mouth. So that's why the hand is like that. The idea is to get it snug, not very ketat because it will temper the punya hip development as well. The hip should be free to move.